Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point. So I had to use this my boy here. So you can allow the boy to stand there observing what you are doing, and then at some point you just walk away and then move the boy out of the screen because you need to record an empty background. So you come back and then still position at that same place you were before. Then you make a shocking turn and walk away. You get my point. Now you save this video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. You get my point. Now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded. So now this is the video. So what you will do right here is at this particular point where you want to walk away, understand, with the boy. Yes, I'm using this boy. You get my point. So you have to split because we need this empty background. You just from this other part here, just this empty background, you split. When you split it, you tap on the empty background, switch it to the beginning of the video, something like what you are seeing on your screen. So now you tap on this other part of the video, tap on this one. Now go and look for overlay. Go and look for overlay. Now click on overlay. So it will come down, so you drag it to the beginning of the video. Tap on this other layer right here. Still go and look for overlay. Click on overlay, so it will come down. Now go to the empty background, this empty background right here. Click on the empty background, tap on it, go and look for freeze. You get my point. So guys, please like and share this video, comment, drop a comment right there, but I have to reduce the volume because of the noise in the background. So just go there, go and look for freeze. So you click on freeze. When you click on freeze, tap on the frozen layer, drag it to get to the end of the video, because we're gonna need it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when we drop another amazing video editing tutorials like this. You get my point. So now tap on the third layer, just drag it, separate it from the layers, move it forward, so you can edit this particular part. Now take the video to the beginning where the boy is alone, somewhere here. So what you do next from here is for you to make a screenshot. You will just swipe on your phone and then make a screenshot with this boy standing like this. You get my point. So I'm going to do that right now. Let me just do that. So I've taken a screenshot of the boy. So what I do is I'll have to crop, just crop it the way you see me cropping here on screen. Just crop it, keep cropping. Guys, you've not subscribed to this channel, what's up now? What's up? You've not shared this video, what's up? When you are done cropping, you save the picture to your gallery. Get my point? Because we are going to need that picture. So now that particular part where the character will leave the screen with the boy, so before the character leaves the screen with the boy, you need a timing right here. So you will tap on the second layer, which is the character layer, understand? So you just time it somewhere here, then tap on the layer, you click on split, then delete the ending part of the video, something like this. So it will be something like this. Now what you do again is for you to, from this point the character comes back to the garden of Eden. You will just split and delete that part is coming into the scene. Now drag this one to join with that other part, so it will be as if the guy was still doing what he was doing. So it will not be noticeable that he left the scene. I believe you get my point. You understand what I'm talking about, Now click on add overlay and bring the picture you just saved here. You get my point. So what you do, just place 2 fingers on your screen and drag it to fit to screen, enlarge it to fit to screen, just like what you see me doing on your screen right now. You get my point. So go to remove BG, click on auto remover and remove background. So guys, like I said, I'm using Capcut features for free, understand? So now this tree want to spoil the video, but I say no, I will never let that happen. So guys, if you are filming and you have issues like this, what you need to do is tap on the boys layer. Now click on custom remover. Now you switch to erase. You get my point? Then reduce the brush size This is the brush size. Reduce the brush size. So you erase the tree. You erase only the tree, understand? And make sure you don't touch the boy's head so it will not cut out. So you just do this, take your time, follow it step by step, understand? When you are done with that, you click on OK. The tree will be removed. You get my point? So when this is done, you click on add overlay and bring the bee effect right here, understand? Now go and look for remove bg. Click on chroma key. Now move the circle to where it shows green. Increase the intensity to 25, the shadow to 15. Go to cleanup age and increase it to 30. Guys, some of you will be seeing this thing as pro on your own Capcut, but I'm using all Capcut features for free. If you want to know how to use it, you chat me up on WhatsApp. My number is in the description of this video. You get my point? When we are done, you click on OK. So now tap on the effect layer. Now drag the bee. Just you can make it big or depending on the size you want it to be. Just drag it up. Make sure you cannot see it again. So you have to add keyframe at the beginning of that bee layer. Then you move the video a bit. Then you bring the bee. Just bring the bee down. Just bring it down. Position it on the boy's head, something like what you're seeing on your screen. You get my point? Move the video a little bit and add another keyframe. Also move the video a little bit. Then this particular one is where you have to drag the bee. Just drag the bee out of the screen. You get my point? Something like this. Just move it out. And keyframe will be added automatically. So you will have something like this. So when that is done, you come back and tap on the voice layer. Understand? From this particular part, you add keyframe. Now, as the bee is flying up, you move the boy to align with the bee. Understand? So you move the video a bit. As the bee is flying, you keep on dragging the boy to make sure they align together. So you do like that till the boy and the bee disappears from the screen. So guys, you need a little settings right here. As you can see that when the bee is carrying the boy, the main video of the boy is still there. So we need something that when the bee is carrying the boy just follows the bee and there is no duplicate of the boy in the background. You get my point? So you tap on this other layer, the second layer here, and adjust it. Understand? So that the bee and the boy will go at the same time. So you drag this other part of the layer to join with the first one here. I don't know if you get my point. So let's see how it's gonna be. So that is done. It's very okay. So what you do next is you have to tap on the B layer, because this from this part here we don't need them. So you split and delete it. So you come to the video layer, also you split and delete it. Come adjust this the boys layer also to align. Go to the background, then split and delete it, because this is how we want the video to end. You get my point? So from here you can now import your video to your gallery. Understand? So leave a comment on the comment section, like and share this video, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and make sure you turn on the bell, that bell, so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop another amazing video editing tutorials. You get my point? So see you guys in our next video. Ha 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 ha.